It's Professor Dave. Let's go shopping.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
When you're in Italy, you may want to go shopping. Whether it's for clothes or food or souvenirs, there's something for everyone in any Italian city. You just have to find the right store, or negozio. So let's go through some of the negozi you might find, starting with a simple food market. Il negozio di frutta e verdura. La macelleria. La salumeria. La pescheria. Il forno o il panificio. La latteria. La pasticceria. Il negozio di alimentari. La gelateria. Il supermercato. Now for some more serious shopping. Il grande magazzino. Il negozio di scarpe. Il negozio di abbigliamento. La tabaccheria. Il negozio di casalinghi. Il negozio di ferramenta. La cartoleria. La libreria. La profumeria. La fioreria. La gioielleria. L'antiquario. L'ottico. And with that, you should be able to find gifts for all your friends and family while on your trip to Italy. Just make sure to bring enough euros, or in Italian, simply euro, as this abbreviation of euro-dollaro will be the same whether singular or plural. Now get to spending. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.